Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about the RYOBI ONE+ cordless flexible clamp light. This is an extremely versatile light that can be used to help with your DIY or crafting tasks around the home, garage or in the shed. Firstly, let's insert the battery. Depending on the kit you purchase, it may come with a battery and charger. With this light, you have two lighting modes, which can be easily adjusted by pulling the lighting head. Pulling back for the flood mode that delivers a wide beam of up to 400 lumens of light output, which is ideal for general area lighting. Now for the spot mode, you can push the light forwards and this delivers a narrow beam of up to 200 lumens, ideal for situations where you need to focus on a single spot. There are also two brightness settings for each mode. This is controlled with a single push button. And you can customise the brightness depending on your project. The 400mm long flexible neck can be bent to virtually any shape or direction, directing light to exactly where you need, even in the tightest of spots. And of course, the built-in clamp firmly attaches onto any round or square edge of up to 44mm thick, giving you even more flexibility. You can expect up to an impressive 30 hours of runtime with a ONE+ 5Ah battery, more than enough light to finish your book or project. This cordless flexible clamp light is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used across multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there we have it, the RYOBI ONE+ cordless flexible clamp light. Perfect for all your DIY lighting needs. You can check out our full lighting range on the RYOBI website.